Hi everyone, welcome to Automated Technology Solutions Services. My name is Ella Reddy. I am a senior QA automation engineer with more than 9 years of experience working across enterprise scale applications in domains like e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and other platforms. Over the years, I worked with technologies like Selenium, Playwright, API automation, CI/CD, Docker, cloud test execution, and large-scale automation frameworks used by real companies, not just demo projects. This channel is for people who want to move behind basic tutorials and truly understand how professional automation testing works in the real world. In this course, you are not going to see toy examples or artificial demo websites. We will use a real CRM application called Cogmento, which includes login flows, contacts, leads, deals, forms, tables, contacts, companies, and APIs. This is very similar to what you see in enterprise products like Salesforce, Dell, or any modern SaaS platforms. We are going to cover Selenium in depth, not just how to write scripts, but how a Selenium actually works, how browsers are started, how drivers are communicated, how elements are located, how weights and synchronization work, how failures happen, how to design automation that serves UI changes. You may notice something different in this series. We are using a console app instead of heavy frameworks like NUnit, TestNG, or SpecFlow. This is intentional. Selenium is not a testing framework, it is a browser automation engine. By using a console app, we remove all framework noise and focus on the core Selenium engine. Once you master Selenium at this level, you can plug it into any framework, any company, and any CI pipeline. This is a video series with each video around 2 minutes focused on one powerful Selenium concept at a time. In this series, you won't just be someone who writes Selenium scripts, you will understand how to design and build enterprise grade automation frameworks. So, if you want to become a professional automation engineer, not just a tester, subscribe, follow along, and practice with me. Let's start building a real automation the way it's done in the industry.